Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Look at you. Beep, 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 beep. Kick, 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 kick. Okay, buddy. Kick, 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 kick. Hey, look at you. Hey, cat lovers. Where the cat lovers? Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That cat just runs and runs and runs and runs and runs all over the place. Trying to work on something, man. She's like climbing on you and stuff. She's crazy. Crazy, just like a mom. Alright. Okay, guys, here. Found some old sawhorses here. We're gonna redo them and set up this wood. That'll be another vlog. Everybody that likes the vlogs, please like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Lets me know you care. Share it with your grandma. Grandmas love my nature vlogs. All right, bye. This is Gus Greenfield. I looked up so you don't have to. Okay, bye.